In today's video, I will show you how to download and play Captain Willie. Firstly, go to Google and search for Captain Willie and click firstage.io link. I will leave link in description to this site. In this page, you have all the information about the game. And these is Download Now button. Click on it. In new pop-up, you donate some money for developer team, or you can simply click No thanks. Just take me to the downloads, and you will get this game for free. Now you can select zip or RAR file to download, and this game only works on Windows. I will download zip file, and when download is completed, I will unzip it, and in folder I can see game launcher. I am using Mac, so I can't run the game, but for Windows users it will work fine. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, give it thumbs up and consider helping me reach 1,000 subscribers so I can make more tutorials. Thanks for watching.